So this is a winged eye for those of us with the hooded eye. First apply base, then your crease, then a tight line inside your crease with a darker shade. Blend. Then with your fingertip apply a gold just to your lid. Take your black liner and connect the edge of your eye out to the edge of your eyebrow, then line your top lid mid-eye out. Then you're going to connect where your crease starts to the end of the line. It will look like this. Look straight ahead and connect the wing to the liner of your eye. It should look like one straight line, but if you look up, it should look like a bat. Pinch your nose to line the inner line of your eye. Line your waterline, the front quarter of your eye, right by your tear duct. Take your concealer and fix any of your mistakes or bleeding. Apply mascara, and you're good to go.